The world is becoming more and more globalized. Trade barriers have been dismantled to enable freer exchange, not only of goods and services, but also of labor and capital. And according to the assumptions of classical economics, free markets contribute to the overall well-being of all parties. The specialization of individual countries in their respective strengths leads to a tremendous increase in production. But the natural result is that a country no longer needs to produce everything itself. Countries that are better able to produce medicines, for example, because their workers are more highly skilled, can focus exclusively on that, while others can concentrate on making other products, such as coffee. After all, it wouldn't be efficient for the wealthier country to produce coffee itself, or the poorer country to manufacture medicines on its own. The exchange offers advantages to both. But along with the increasing globalization of the past few decades, inequality in developing nations has also skyrocketed. An explanation of this phenomenon comes from the model developed by Nobel Prize winner Eric S. Maskin. Wealthy countries have highly skilled workers A and B. Meanwhile, developing countries possess workers with lower qualifications C and D. Before globalization, the labor of A and B, as well as C and D, would have been combined. This is especially advantageous for the less skilled workers B and D in each system. They end up profiting most from the cooperation. According to Maskin, globalization has led to a new combination of workers. Now A's are combined with other A's, B's with C's, and D's with other D's. It follows that worker C profits from the B workers, while the D workers are left behind. Maskin concludes that the overall effect of globalization is in fact positive. Nevertheless, unskilled workers in developing countries in particular are still waiting to benefit from these positive impacts. His call to policymakers:
the reasonable policy approach is to try to raise the skill level of D workers through job training, through education, so that they have international matching opportunities too.